I bought this from Walmart earlier. It's chicken. I can't get I can't get my stuff I recorded on this phone onto Windows Movie Maker because I don't have iMovie, which accept the MP4 MPEG-4 format, which Windows Movie Maker doesn't. This is a Windows product, Windows-based phone. I don't understand that. Like, you know, why not have it in Windows Movie Maker, Windows media format, you know, instead of Windows Movie Maker. But I got this from Walmart. The chicken I'm currently eating. If this shit is alright, I can make something from Walmart. I was in the bathroom, shitting violently, man. Hey, take cover! You know what? I'm gonna start filming my food orders from like Burger King and Walmart and Wendy's and McDonald's and put some extra shit with that, please. Yeah, we can get it all in there. Yeah, you know. I should get some from Taco Bell. You can eat from Taco Bell at times, man. Like, did I just eat a bean stuffed burrito? It's like the way I'm using the bathroom. It's, wow. I'm exploding out of my ass. I don't know. Wait. Which am I getting this unique flavor from? It tastes like some type of bug spray. Nice. Walmart. What the hell's wrong with this thing? That's if I die. Say I doubt it. I don't know. I'm trying to upload the damn video! Negatory. There's no bug spray. I'm just chasing them berries. I'm not used to drinking blueberry. I should. I'm used to drinking things that are red. I don't know why. Like, red is good. So, I like blue now. It's always been my favorite color since I was a little boy. I think I'm officially fucking retarded. I don't care. But yeah, I'm trying to get the fucking videos from this phone, damn it! Like, why? I can't do the slow motion thing with this because I'm directly recording from YouTube and not editing it in Windows Movie Maker. I wish I had a MacBook. Now it comes in handy. Like, no. Why? No! Am I doing my slow motion thing wrong? I gotta put them in there, babe. I wanted to buy all of them, but I don't know. I have to go indie for a minute. The Ark of Truth, Stargate. The black dude got that thing on his head. You know, it's awesome. Blonde chick and that guy. Wait. Let me properly edit the camera. There we go. You got go with it. Like that. And like check. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna get the Arnold Schwarzenegger's movie in there, right? Or Keanu Reeves movie, something. I think Keanu Reeves. It's some good actors. Hollywood is beautiful. This project, Hollywood is awesome. Really awesome actors. Tom Arnold is even funny. I had a movie idea. I should turn Andromeda into a movie like Serenity. Serenity was once called Firefly, which is a show, and Andromeda is a show exactly like Serenity. You know, it's named after a galaxy and stuff. It's not too late. I don't know. Okay. Alright. I'm trying to get this camera thing. I don't know. Maybe I need a converter. But see, now you have to convert something in order to use it in another fucking program. Well, it's a Windows-based product. I like it. HTC. It's like an iPhone. I mean, I have an iPhone either. You know. But like, why not like make it with like Windows media format and all, since it's based on Windows stuff. You know, I don't understand. I don't care. I'm not complaining. Wait, let me see if it just recently saved something else in a different format that I change it. Did it? What format is that? Still an MP4. What time did I made? Which one is this? Come on, play. Ah, shit, it's copying. Where's it copying? I said play. I just wanted to play. Did I finish copying it? Still copy. 5 seconds remaining. Alright, we just came in from Walmart. Oh. I thought it's still cool. Maybe it's a different format. Maybe it's up here. No. It's all the same. Where the fuck did it go? Maybe it's in here. Music. What's that? What is that? Oh my goodness. Come on. Storage. Game off. Application. It's a really nice phone. What is that weird British mannerism thing they do? Like, bravo to HT say, you know, it's very nice. I always wanted to use like an iPhone, but I just happened to get my hands on this first. This is not mine, I'm just borrowing it. Belongs to someone else. But we live in the same house. We share different items. And I'm not bragging about their stuff. It's a really great phone. You know? Nice stuff, dude. Nice stuff, bro. Nice shit.